Instead of minus 14, if the coefficient of x is wrongly taken as 19, then the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 will be minus 3 and minus 16. Find the roots of the original quadratic equation. So it's saying in coefficient of x as in the value of p. So instead of minus 14, if we take 19, then the roots turns out to be minus 3 and minus 16. So this one is the actual one and this is the error one, right? So in the case of error one, the roots are minus 3 and minus 16. That means the product of the roots, which is denoted by the constant term c, will turn out to be 48. That means in reality also it should be 48. So this is going to give us minus 3 and minus 16. What root will this give us? Sum of roots is 14 and product is 48. It can only happen with 6 and 8. So 6 and 8, C is our answer.